Kenny got ball. Kenny got ball.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be yet another interesting video, but before getting into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, this video is gonna be a crochet braid tutorial. If you know me, you know I love crochet braids, especially the spring twist crochet braid. And if you've been watching me, you know I've done couple of spring twist crochet braids, you know, and I've done something like this. The color is almost the same as this one, but what I did then was that I bought the crochet braid from Amazon and I twisted it. It's just a spring twist, then I twisted it and then I installed it. The video, I'm gonna link the video in the description box in case if you've not seen it before. So but this time this is like another level because this is a pre-twisted spring twist, so you're gonna save yourself the stress of getting the normal spring twist and twisting it. This one comes pre-twisted already, so the only thing you have to do is just to do your braiding pattern and install it. And for those of you who don't know how to, you know, attach the braids to your hair, this is definitely the style, like the way to go about it. The braiding pattern I did is easy, anybody can do it. So I really hope that this video will be of help to you guys. Anybody can do it. So I'm gonna put the link to the hair and the company name in the description box below because they sent me 8 packs of spring twist, but I ended up using 8 packs. Yes, I ended up using the 8 packs to be able to achieve this look. And the great thing about spring twist is the fact that it's so light. It's as if I have nothing on my hair, and you can style it in so many different ways. If you're someone that is very busy, when you install something like this, maybe you take a weekend like a Saturday to install it, it doesn't take time. When you install something like this, and you can keep it for like 3 weeks, if it's getting old, you can actually wash your hair and then just moisturize the scalp of your hair and you're good to go. You can style it in so many different ways. Like, I don't know what you're waiting for. This is absolutely the best style for summer. So let me just stop blabbing right now and let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging looks like. So in a pack, in the bag, it has 8 packs of braids, and in one pack we have 11 strands of crochet braids.
I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame a past we simply.
So right here I'm gonna go ahead and do like a quick braiding pattern.
Waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so.
I'm done with the braiding pattern, I'm gonna go ahead and start installing the crochet. So I'm gonna do it up close for you guys so you can see it very well. So now I'm done with the crochet braids. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Eco Styler gel to lay my edges. Then after applying the Eco Styler gel, I'm going to tie a scarf and leave it to dry. So now I'm just going to take off the scarf. And yes guys, this is the final look. I absolutely enjoyed making this video and I hope you guys enjoy watching it and I hope you learned something from it. Please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel and also please share this video with your friends and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.